I had a meeting today with a manufacturing company based out of Lagos in Nigeria. The company is into manufacturing of baking product. I'll name the company. The name of the company is Zyka Foods Limited. Well, the outcome of the meeting is company appointed e-resource as their partners for ERP implementation. But there is something that I wanted to share with you all. I move places to places and I've spoken to manufacturers all around of all sizes, and I hear firsthand about the problem that they are dealing with. The struggles are real, so I thought I would highlight the challenges faced by manufacturers and provide insight into how manufacturers can address them head on. If you are a manufacturing company, then watch this video till the end. For sure, nobody wants to fail in their efforts in running or starting a business. Everybody in business wants to excel. In this video, I'm going to explore some major challenges faced by manufacturing industry, but I will also advise solutions to overcome these challenges. Ask yourself this question to determine if your business is achieving excellence. Do your system provides visibility into your business and help you make informed decisions? Are your business processes integrated and standardized? Are they effective and efficient? Are your system and process is working together to help you meet your vision for the future? I tell you, if your processes and system are not tightly integrated, you will encounter problems, hurdles and challenges on a day-to-day basis. What I've noticed is, whether it is big or small manufacturing company, the biggest challenges these companies encounter is associated with either of the following areas: forecasting and demand management, production planning and control, managing inventory, quality control, quality assurance, quality compliances, supply chain management, human resource management, improving efficiency of the manufacturing plant, increasing ROI, managing sales and marketing, and managing finances. All these are the functions of manufacturing businesses, and generally the companies find itself struggling in managing these functions. Now the question is how to overcome challenges. It's no secret you can't sell what's not in the shelf. Having said that, I want to tell all manufacturers that you will excel only if you have a solid system that can help you meet your challenges head on, whatever they may be. Right ERP solution will help you focus on scaling your business instead of you being overburdened addressing day-to-day challenges. Please watch this space for more videos on manufacturing challenges, which is on its way. Until then, thank you for watching this video. This is Sudheer Soman Nair signing off. Thank you.